Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think is the number one development in St. Ann? Now, they have a few massive developments, but I think this development, the Paradisiac Beach Club in Richmond, St. Ann, is the number one development in St. Ann, the number one development under construction. Of all the projects that have actually started, I think this is number one. Now you have the Bahari development in Runaway Bay, but it's not as large as this development. And you also have SOL Harbour in Ocherios, which is also under construction. That's 2 towers at 7 floors. But this one, to me, and guys, let me know which one you think, what you think is the number one development in St. Ann. Leave your comments in the section below. And you also have that massive development by China Harbour Engineering Company in Miami Bay. But this development is on such a large scale that I choose this one as the number one development in the parish of St. Ann. And we're going to ask this question for every parish in Jamaica. We're going to actually, Montego Bay is going to be another difficult one. St. Ann is probably the most difficult parish to choose one development. But as I said earlier, I choose this development, the Paradisiac Beach Club, just because of its size and where it's located in Richmond, right by the beach. It's going to have 3 private beaches in it. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.